Welcome to the eSale Instructor Tutorial, Making a Manual Mediasite Recording in Zachry. This tutorial will walk you through the process to make an unscheduled or manual recording using Mediasite in Zachry. In the Zachry Learning Studios, you will need to pay attention to two screens. First is the Crestron control screen. Second is the Mediasite Confidence Monitor. The Crestron control screen allows you to operate the room. To start a manual recording, press the REC button at the bottom of the screen. This will start the recording. Once the recording has started, the bottom bar on the Mediasite Confidence Monitor will turn red. Please note you should also see your content, a camera feed, and moving green bars on the right indicating audio. Make sure to use a microphone. Once you have completed your class session, press the stop button, the square icon on the Crestron control screen to end the recording. To make sure your students can view the video you just created, please email us at esale@tamu.edu. Include the Zach room number, the date and time, and your course information. We will move the video into the correct location. You did it! Whoop! For more information, please contact us at esale@tamu.edu.